pour on these counters, so they're perfectly level. All the edges have been routed. You can see this is the way you want to build counters if you're building them. There's 2 layers of MDF, and then it's trimmed out with some more MDF. All the gaps are all filled with like an all-purpose Bondo. The edges are all rounded, so if you're building a counter from scratch, this is the way you want to build them. And if you're installing counters in a room like this is also the way you want to set up the stations, because you can coat it and just slide it right over to where it goes. This goes over to that wall, and this one goes over here against this wall. There's plastic all over it. Notice there's no carpet, tile, or anything else in here. This is really the proper way to have counters set up if you're doing it in a new construction project or in a remodel project. So enjoy the video.
Hey guys, so we're gonna be doing a dirty pour on these, but with the twist. So first step, we're gonna do our clear epoxy, just a thin layer, kind of like we teach when we're doing the dirty pours on the counters. So I'm gonna go around and just pour a bead down the middle on all these. Okay guys, so we're gonna do the dirty pour, but I wanna get my dirty pour to be really wide, so we're gonna use this dustpan. We've cut it so it's nice and flat, and I'm gonna pour my epoxy on here and let it drip off. And I'm gonna do one vein down the middle, do one down the middle there, and then we'll come back and we'll start filling in everywhere else. All right, so now that I've got the majority of our top covered, I'm gonna get a smaller, just flat trowel, and I'm gonna start filling in spots and kind of being more precise with the dirty pour. All right guys, just finished the dirty pour. Counters look absolutely amazing. That's a 12-foot section. Here's a smaller one. We're gonna take it to another level. We're gonna actually do a layered epoxy with some more dirty pour veins through it to add a lot more creativity to this countertop. So we're gonna do a similar process. We've sanded it, we did our barriers for the edges, and then we're gonna do our flood coat and clear, and then we're just gonna add our dirty pour veins randomly throughout the counter, and then spray some of our liquid diamonds for a dispersing effect. Now we're gonna do our dirty pour veins, and we're not gonna do black, so I wanna keep these black fracture veins that we added to it the first layer. So I'm gonna take a smaller trowel, pour it onto there, and just go around these black veins.